Welcome to Orca Chess. Here we have Maddie plays chess. We will play a chess battle here in Washington Square Park. Here in the corner on another board is the Grinch playing. And we are at Christmas time. The Grinch is already there in New York City.
The park is all about the diversity anyways.
It's everywhere here. Everything is here in New York City. And yeah, I give my best. I'm a bit out of shape.
Me too. It's okay.
Yeah, you're playing all the time, so you cannot be out of shape. And we play 5+0 minute games.
And this is Orca Chess, by the way.
And this is Orca Chess, by the way. Please make a short introduction about your channel. It's a pretty new channel.
Introduction. I'm Maddie Plays Chess, based here in New York City. So this is my home turf. This is not going to be pretty for him.
This is not Switzerland, right?
This is not Switzerland.
This is not
we are
Switzerland.
In New
Okay.
York City.
We are New York City. No Swiss rules. Okay, but we still play the Swiss system in
Bye,
tournaments.
Grinch.
Grinch.
I beat him.
Bye. Yeah, I bet you did.
You beat them. Are you from Switzerland? Okay, Hoover them. Okay.
All right, you ready?
All right, ready? I wish you a good game.
Kick some ass. Good
Kick
luck.
some ass.
All right. I hate this clock. All right, there
So,
we
okay,
go.
1e4. Bobby Fischer played
E4.
this.
Oh, wow.
Okay, let's play the closed.
Oh, I don't like this line. Dude, what is this? This is boring. Okay, I'll bring out my knight. Let's trade.
Oh, come
Let's talk about
on.
boring. Sorry.
What's
I
this?
just did something extremely boring. All right, now I just have to be a little bit careful, but we're probably fine.
Have to be careful, right? F2
Controlling the center is
is
overrated,
F2
right?
is a bit shaky. Let's play this.
Okay, let's...
Bishop
Can I try
C5.
something? No, I'm not going to try.
You're looking for a very active setup here, like active play, and I have to untangle my pieces. It's
Your
not so
pieces are fine.
easy.
Calm down.
So you're attacking my pawn. How
What
can I
pawn?
protect
There's
the
a
pawn?
there? I didn't even
Yeah, there's
know.
a pawn.
My
Okay,
bad.
maybe I should do this. I don't
Yeah.
know.
Giving you nice, easy moves. You should say thank you.
And now you play E4 yourself. Okay, this is
yes.
very E5. This is very nice. Okay.
I've got an idea. I think I can make this work. Except there's so much
How
time.
how do I
God.
protect
I should
this,
like yawn
this
or
pawn?
something. I feel like I have some kind of play here. Hey, where do you think you're going? You're not even doing anything.
Come on, attack this guy.
My rook, bro.
Maybe just attack it. Maybe it has some effect. I don't know. You just play this. You just play rook to E7.
Didn't like
Let's
your
let's
bishop
let's
attacking
do
my
a
stuff.
Spanish maneuver.
I was gonna do that. Why you gotta stop my plan like that? Oh, ew, I would hang a pawn. Do I hang a pawn? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna play this.
Where do you hang a pawn? I don't see it.
No, I was just a little nervous. Now you can get out of there.
I can get out of there.
Yeah,
This is
bye-bye.
not very nice of you, you know.
Get out. Thank you. See you.
See you later.
Bye. Thank you. All right. I don't really like my position, but we're gonna make it
You
work.
don't really like
Not
your
really.
position? Come on, let's hop in with the knights.
Hey.
Let's
that's really
let's
not
play the
nice.
knight tango. F5 is a
Okay.
very attractive square for this
Yeah,
knight.
I'm not a big fan of that, but I guess I don't really have much of a choice, huh? I'll just bring in my own knight. Does this way? Oh, that's hanging. Hello.
Hello.
Yikes. That's fine. We'll make it work. Not the best position for me.
Not the best position for you, you
No.
think? Okay. But how can I improve my position? I don't know.
Incoming queen.
I don't know how to improve this. It's always tricky to win a good position or to get
kind of
some
like this idea, but I'm
materialized
nervous.
advantage.
I'm
It's
nervous
just
about
not
it, but I'm
easy.
gonna try.
You're just hopping in.
I don't really know where I'm going, but we're gonna just hope for the best here. Yeah, okay, this was probably a little interesting. Let's
Queen
see.
F3.
Yeah, well, Queen F3 makes sense.
Queen F3 makes sense, but it's not winning anything.
Yeah, well, that's the point. I have so much time. I don't know why I'm playing so fast. Okay, so I probably need to deal with... You know what I'm going to do? This is definitely wrong. This is so wrong. Let's see it. We'll just
think
give
this
it
is
a shot.
wrong?
I don't know. I didn't like the move that much. But I'm going to hope for the best. Yeah, I didn't like the move. Oh well. Okay. No, I'm okay with it. Yeah.
You okay with it?
Yeah, sorry. I'm having an internal debate right now as to whether or not I'm playing
Okay,
okay.
internal debates. Interesting.
Take your time though. It's not like we're playing Blitz. Oh wait.
Oh, this is a strategically interesting move, actually.
What is that? I think
This
I want
is
to trade that.
strategically, it's
I'm
interesting.
okay with trading this actually.
Because I take it with the pawn to
I
kick out your
actually
knight.
wondered if you were going to take it.
It looks a bit weird, but it's strategically interesting.
Oh, yikes.
I think.
Oh, I don't have a
Strategically,
choice.
it's interesting.
I think I gotta go the other way. Could I go there? No. No. What if I go there and then there? No, that.
I'm destroying my pawn structure, but I'm opening
This
lines.
is gonna hang me something. This is no good.
I'm opening lines. And activity is very often more
Yes,
important
beautiful move.
than anything
Sorry,
else.
sorry. Ah, sorry. Oh, I don't like this. Ah!
Now I have a good move, I think, right?
Run, King!
How do you get
Run, King, run!
you get out?
This is so bad.
How do you get out of here?
I don't know if I do.
How do you get out of this?
I really like your position here. I think this is pretty good.
It's a winning position, but how to win it? This
It's
is
definitely
always
a winning position.
always-
I'm rooting for you. You've got this.
always
This
the
is like game over, basically.
how to win it.
You got this. Put it together. Don't panic.
Don't panic.
See, I'm rooting for my opponent. I like to be nice and friendly when I'm playing my game. Just really take your time and think.
No,
There's
no.
nothing to worry about.
Don't take too long.
Yes.
Yeah, this is
Oh, Orca chess.
Orca
Yay.
chess.
I don't think he sees it.
I don't think he sees it. I don't even
You
know
see
what we're
something.
seeing.
You see something.
Right. I
You
mean,
see something
I don't
concrete.
know, it's kind of.
I think.
He sees something you
it
can't.
feels.
You know
it
me
feels- it
personally, I
feels
think
concrete.
Black's got checkmate in like 8 moves.
Okay,
so, you know.
let's play this line.
Oh wow, a check. Who saw
And-
that coming?
And your king is on e6.
Yeah.
This has to be very good, actually.
This is kind of
It
gross.
has to be very, very
This is
good.
gross looking.
But how to finish this off?
All right.
How to finish
join
it
my
off? It
king
is
on- Really?
not
You took
so
that?
clear.
Okay, hold on. That was wrong. But why was that wrong is the big question. So, the thing is, my king's like okay now. Sort of. Oh, you're going there. That's really gross. Get out of there. No thanks. I hope I don't blunder checkmate, which I've done many times. Knight check.
Check.
I have to take this. Actually, do I have to take this if I run? No, you check me there. I've got to take. All right. Cool. Good start. We're off to an amazing start, just down the piece. Okay.
Only equality.
It's right.
Exchange.
It's totally
you're
fine.
only an exchange
It
down.
is so fine. I wanted
You're
this whole
only
thing
an
to happen.
exchange down.
Yeah, this is like super playable. I've played this many times. This is not playable.
It's not playable at all.
It's fine. We make it work. Really no big deal. You're gonna stack up there. That's okay. I'm gonna let you stack up there. Can I play that and then let you check me? Is the big question. Let me try. Oops. Can I do that? I don't know. I really have not gotten that far. Okay, my pawn. That's rude. Rook takes pawn, queen takes, looks like mate. Not a big fan. I can't go there. Did want to though.
Attacking f7. Sometimes easy ideas are good. Just attack a pawn. And attack it again.
Ooh, ew, this is really horrible and kind of funny. Yes, beautiful move.
Check.
Such a nice move. You gotta back up. I think it was much better to take the pawn, but it's fine. This works too. Okay.
Oh, you're right. Pawn to
It's all- yeah, it's all the same thing, right?
It's still a good move. It's still a good move.
No,
and I
this
have to
is-
take this with the
Yikes.
queen and not the other way around. This
You know
makes
what
a difference.
sucks is I can't even like not trade.
But I'm a
You
rook.
just have
I'm a
checkmate.
rook up, and I can play chess. This is it's a start, I would say.
I'm rooting for
It's
you.
a
I think
start
you've got
to
this.
approach this position.
You've totally got this. You're doing perfectly fine. I've lost worse positions. Goodbye, pawns. Goodbye, all of my pawns. Every single last one of them. They're all gone. Good game.
Come on, let's play the checkmate.
We're good. Good game.
Yeah, of course.
Of course they're filming. Oh,
Prince
nice.
is coming back.
The queen is coming back.
Yeah.
Grinch.
I still don't really understand what the Grinch is doing at the park. But I think it's awesome.